Hello, my name is Lois Brown, and I'm the Rehab Clinical Education Specialist for Invacare. With me is Stephanie Tangway, the Clinical Education Specialist at Motion Concepts. At the beginning of 2011, Invacare and Motion Concepts integrated their seating and positioning products, thus creating the Invacare Matrx seating positioning line. This initiative streamlines both product lines, improves the ease of ordering product, and allows single invoicing for our providers. Motion Concepts will be the center of design excellence for the seating and positioning line and will focus on improved product design, component interchangeability, and improved sales and technical support. Today, we would like to take the opportunity to demonstrate the features and highlight the clinical benefits of the Invacare Matrx seating and positioning line. This includes a combination of the design excellence of the Invacare and Matrx back supports and seat cushions. Ideally, a health professional should evaluate and prescribe the appropriate seating and mobility products, and actual trial of the product is the best way to ensure a successful outcome. Please refer to the Seating and Mobility Catalog for full details and the owner's manual for specific directions on the use of the equipment. The Matrx seating line has had positive acceptance in the US, Canada, and abroad, and has proven to be a successful product offering. We have created this short video to help you prepare to deliver an effective in-service and be a trusted advisor when speaking to therapists and providers. The Invacare Matrx hardware is highly adjustable on chair and accommodates the Matrx Elite, Elite Deep, PB, and PB Deep backs, thus allowing the client to trial a variety of back contour depths and back heights in the same chair. It can also be fitted to accommodate wider wheelchairs and can interface to many power wheelchairs. Earlier this year, a rolling change was made to the mounting hardware, transitioning from Imperial to metric sizing. During this conversion, a Torx head screw was utilized as the principal type of mounting hardware. In light of industry feedback, the decision was made to phase out the use of the Matrx Torx hardware and switch to Matrx hex screws. The Invacare Matrx back begins with the hardware. The EasySet hardware is designed for quick installation on chair with 2-point clamp hardware, but due to its shape, creates 4 points of contact for added stability. The other clear advantage is not only the 4 inches of depth adjustability, 2 inches anterior, 2 inches posterior of the back canes, 40 degrees of back angle adjustment, 20 degrees anterior, and 20 degrees posterior. There is also some rotational adjustment to accommodate for postural asymmetry. With a client in the system, you can find the appropriate depth and angle adjustment with them in the chair. It is simply a matter of tightening the bolts on each side, and that sets the angle, and now each time the back is removed and replaced, it returns to that set angle. So you're not depending on the client or the caregiver to line up the hardware to achieve the optimal seating angle. A set screw will lock the hardware into place. The attachment bracket for the back canes are 1 inch in diameter, and spacers are provided to accommodate 3/4 inch and 7/8 inch diameter tubing. Another advantage of the EasySet hardware is the ability to fine-tune the back hardware to multiple frame widths. In addition, every back is shipped with 1/2 inch longer mounting pins to fit chairs 1 inch wider. For example, with an 18-inch wide back, the lock nut and threaded pin can be adjusted to fit an 18-inch wide frame and a 19-inch wide frame using the longer mounting pins. Additional extended mounting pins are available for the Invacare Matrx PB and Elite backs up to 20 inches wide and 300 pounds. When adjusting the pins to fit the EasySet hardware, be sure to leave 1/8 inch of pin exposed on each side to allow the pin to float in the hook to avoid undue stress to the hardware. These extended mounting pins are each 1 inch longer and will allow the back to fit chairs up to 2 inches wider. Extended range mounting hardware is available and provides 1 3/4 inch additional depth adjustment in front or behind the canes. The clinical relevance is that in a client when we see disproportionate hip and chest width, that we can select the optimal width of the trunk support required, especially when narrower. Split bracket hardware can be ordered instead of EasySet at no charge. It has 4 separate attachment points. It also allows depth and angle adjustment and is still quick release. It was initially developed to accommodate various welded rigidizer bars, as oftentimes there is limited room to mount the EasySet hardware. Split bracket hardware also has application in pediatrics, often due to the placement of the cantilever arm at the mid-thoracic for elbow forearm placement. The hardware can be mounted anterior or posterior of the back canes for seat depth and growth. Fixed Space Saver hardware is available at no charge in lieu of standard EasySet. It is a solid plate, slotted the same for depth adjustment. While originally designed to mount the posture and elite backs in the Motion Concepts power tilt and recline systems, it is also ideal for use with severe extensor spasticity or for any application when the back support does not need to be removed, perhaps manual tilt and space wheelchairs. There is also a mounting interface for posture and elite backs to be mounted on a formula recline or tilt and recline. Most manufacturers only offer one set of hardware. The EasySet hardware, Seahorse bracket, comes standard in high-strength composite material with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. It is also available in a heavy-duty version of solid aluminum with a weight capacity of 500 pounds.